Now guys, on our pound USD, if you're actually new to this channel, before we actually get started, please do not actually forget to subscribe to this channel if you to this video if you actually like it. On our pound USD, I actually did a weekly video on our pound USD. I'm predicting that our pound will very much likely pushes up to test this area here, giving us like a double top here. You can actually go back to watch my weekly video to confirm it. When we actually test it, then we possibly might be seeing a fall. And guess what? About yesterday, our price opens and closed bullish, even coming to test this our area we predicted it will actually come to test, giving us like a double top. And now our pound to our USD is now open bearish, and I possibly believe it will actually continue to fall, possibly close bearish today. I believe our pound to our USD would close very much bearish, so we would want to see a fall on our pound to our USD. Now let's take a look at our DXY. I've also seen that our price came here, test this area, test this area. This serves as a key level. We should notice that now that our price has tested it, giving us like two resistance area. Now our price broke above it, came back to test our area, price broke above, right? Now it has pushes up, and very much likely our price have come to test it, giving us this huge wick. By the way, we can see it, huge wick we can see now. And now we are very much open bullish, and I believe our USD, which is our DXY, would very much open and close bullish. I would want to see a bullish move on our USD, which is our DXY. So now if we are to see that bullish move we are aiming to see, or predicting to see, then we should actually be closing bearish on our pound USD for the day. Our pound should actually fall. We should continue to see that fall between today and even tomorrow. We should continue to see that huge fall till our price pound takes out our lows here, our lows for the like call it the week, or our lowest points, our lowest area where we add this huge week. So we would want to see our price fall to take it out, and we'll possibly be seeing the fall within today and tomorrow. So above all, we're very much likely to go bearish on our pound USD. So that is my analysis. If you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.